all grew up watching Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, dreaming of one place that created all of these magical foods. The artisan food market is exploding, and the building behind me houses the epicenter of it here in Brooklyn, New York. At the corner of Union and Flushing, inside these walls is a whole host of really cool companies, some startups, some established businesses that have all these amazing foods. And I'm taking you inside to see how the food is made. Ice pops and yeah. Wow.
Misunderstood. He's a loser, he's a loser. I got a new car, driving slow from the start. It looks cool though, it looks cool though. It's not what I need, it's not what I feel. Break it down, break it down. Break it down, break it down. I'm gonna get a new one. I'm gonna get a new one. Break it down, break it down. Break it down, break it down. I'm gonna get a new one. I'm gonna get a new one.
Oh, that gives you a little kick. See a little burn going down. You know, it's burning up all the terrible things that's inside of you. Probably my terrible breakfast sandwich that I had today. Clear up your sinuses.
Break it down. Break it down. I'm gonna get me a new one. Get me a new one. Oh, it's not what I need. It's not what I feel. Just do it out. Break it down, break it down. Break it down, break it down.
Well, this just ends up being pretty much the coolest place ever to work because you walk out of Field Trip Jerky and right around the corner is a soup stand.
Oh, the sausage that they use in this is great.
Oh, I could eat a lot of this gumbo. Hearty. Sweet chipotle pork rinds. Oh, great kick. I would have never thought to put pork rinds on my soup. These guys gave me the idea, and it was brilliant.
Spicy. Ooh, boy. Guys over there know what they're talking about. That's the sound of a pork rind getting gumbo poured on it.
All right, we are here in the offices of Field Trip. Beef jerky with pork rinds, with snacks. All the ingredients are clean, and it's antibiotic free, and it's hormone free, and all that stuff means a lot, especially when you're taking stuff on the go like we always do here on Nomad. Matt, you have in front of you two delicious pockets of pork rinds. Are you in charge of taste testing around here?
I generally am, yes.
Greatest job ever. What is a pork rind?
Pork skins, all back skins, better and easier to ensure quality that way. You know, on the other parts of the pig, you might have like, you know, knuckles and hair and whatnot, but again, this is more standard when you focus just on the back part of the pig. You can really take out the nipples and the tattooed areas of the pigs.
Yeah,
you know,
you want to avoid the sleeves of tattoos on the pigs,
yeah,
right?
So I'm gonna go with this one first, my favorite, Island Barbecue.
Ooh.
A little tiny bit of heat on there.
Very light, not greasy at all.
Nope. Light, fluffy.
It's just enough. It's not overwhelming at all, but that's really good at the end.
And then we have the sweet chipotle.
You guys had me put it on my soup. What a great idea.
Yeah. Matt, our co-founder, he made tacos, put these on the tacos of the day. I made meatloaf last night, actually, and I used these instead of the breadcrumbs.
That is a brilliant
Little tip for you.
It's so different because you eat regular pork rinds. It just feels heavy and greasy.
Right.
These don't feel that way at all. I feel like I can have 3 bags of these.
Absolutely. Yeah, I've, knock on wood, had no adverse effects to eating too many pork rinds yet, so.
The doctor always says, bag of pork rinds a day. Now this is amazing. You guys do a ton of different jerkies, all grass-fed beefs.
Yep.
One's original, one's mandarin orange teriyaki, cracked pepper turkey, got maple barbecue. I grew up in a household that kind of stressed nutrition. I still wanted to enjoy fun things like beef jerky, like pork rinds, and for the longest time you couldn't find any decent options that wouldn't basically kill you. For you guys, I mean, the whole key is you look at the back and there's nothing in it. I mean, it's beef, it's brown sugar, water, lemon juice, honey, red wine, garlic, onion, ginger, black pepper, onion peel. I mean, that's it. That's everything that's in this jerky.
No junk in the jerky.
Ooh, that's great because it's got like an orange glaze on it almost. And it's almost like if you bought Chinese food and you had a little orange sauce left over.
Right,
just like dipped a little bit of the orange sauce.
The OG original.
Smoky.
Liquid smoke, black pepper, brown sugar, you know. If it's not broke, don't fix it.
When I'm traveling for games, I'm in between meals. I got to get to this arena, I'm doing this. You can take all of this stuff with you on the go.
Forget about it for 3 months, open it, still fine. You know? So, meat stick.
Meat stick.
I'm more of a jerky guy at the end of the day, especially because I had never seen a healthy meat stick. I might be converting. So.
It's like a Slim Jim, but it tastes like real meat. Where exactly does the cow sit? I mean, I know he does data entry.
You know, we keep him as far away from the taste testing as possible. Turned into a pretty good salesman.
Oh, good.
He's not so good on the phone, and you know his ear is really far from his mouth.
And it's hard, I'm sure, to grip a phone with hooves.
Yeah, that's. But speakerphone, he's killing it. He's got a future in sales.
And he's very personable. I don't know if you
Very
saw.
friendly.
I was walking down the hallway with him, and he's telling me all about the stock prices of the company and whatnot.
Oh,
and,
wow.
Yeah, no, last quarter you guys did great.
Fantastic. He knows the most. So.
This is great, man. Thanks so much for having
Absolutely.
me.
Thank
This is
you.
awesome stuff. You got it.
Sure thing.
Well, how great are the guys from Field Trip? I'm all in on this jerky. I'm all in on these pork rinds. Oh, yeah. Having something to tie me over that's not going to be trash in my stomach. So check this out. The guys over at Field Trip are hooking you up. They're giving 25% off any of my viewers. So simply go to their website. Bing! Type in NOMAD and you're going to get 25% off your online order. How about that? Just by being a fan of the series, now we're hooking you up. 25% off. Just type in NOMAD at their website for your online order. And I'm telling you, this stuff is legit. Remember to subscribe to NOMAD by clicking on this button right here, and you'll get notifications of brand new episodes. Hey, give it a follow because now we're hooking you up with discounted delicious snacks. I'm doing my part for you. Now do your part for us. Until next time, remember, you can be given tours of wonderful places of confectionery and edible goods, but if it's not alongside an inflatable bovine, you're doing it wrong. Amendo, out.